And here it is, the highly anticipated Husqvarna 701 Silver Streak. Lighter, faster and more advanced than anything before it.
Before Husqvarna was a name on a jersey or a logo on a fuel tank, it was a Swedish powerhouse dating back over 300 years. We're talking weapons, sewing machines, and eventually, some of the most soulful motorcycles to ever touch dirt. Husky has never been about following the herd. They've always occupied this unique space where rugged, military-grade reliability meets clean, Nordic art. They don't just build machines, they build identities. But among their centuries of history, there's one name that still makes collectors' hearts skip a beat. Enter 1982. The motocross world was dominated by plastic and neon, but Husqvarna did something different. They dropped the CR500 Silver Streak. It was a masterpiece of polished aluminum and raw, unadulterated power. That silver tank wasn't just for show, it was a badge of honor. It was a 500 cubic centimeters beast that demanded respect, symbolizing innovation and craftsmanship long before minimalism was a marketing buzzword. For decades, it's been the ghost in the machine for Husqvarna fans, the high watermark of what a pure, visceral dirt bike should be. For years, the rumors have been swirling. Will they bring the legend back? Can they capture that 1982 magic in a modern world? Well, stop guessing. The Streak is back, and it's sharper than ever. Meet the 2026 Husqvarna Silver Streak 701. This isn't just a vintage tribute, it's a high-performance weapon. At its heart sits the legendary 693 cubic centimeters LC4 Single-Cylinder engine. We're talking 74 horsepower of pure, thumping soul. In an era of polite, quiet parallel twins, this thing is a riot. The throttle response is sharp, the torque is instant, and the vibe? Pure aggression. The design is a masterclass in mechanical honesty. You've got that iconic silver-dominant body, accented by restrained red detailing that screams racing heritage. No excessive plastic. No bulk. Just a lean, athletic profile with a sculpted tank and an exposed trellis frame. And don't let the pretty face fool you. With long-travel WP suspension, gold-anodized forks, and rugged spoked wheels, this thing has serious off-road intent. It's a rally-inspired scrambler that's just as happy sliding through the dirt as it is turning heads at a cafe. The Silver Streak 701 is the missing link. It's the prestige of the past meeting the performance of the future. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a reminder that Husqvarna still knows how to move your soul.